Hello, hi, it's Liz here, and I have an unboxing today. I have already taken the goodies out the box so that I'm a little bit organised for you. It's from Your Creative Studio and it's been gifted to me to show you what's in a typical box. This is the May 2023 box. So Your Creative Studio, and I'll put a link in the description box. So first up, 4 rubber stamps. We have a flamingo, a pineapple, a toucan, and one of these big exotic leaves. So 4 lovely rubber stamps, and quite a sort of exotic pink feel to this box. So that's the 4 stamps. The nice red rubbery etched, so give you a good impression. There's washi, which is quite a muted colour. There are leaves on it, leaves the same as the stamp leaf. I don't see a flamingo. No, I think it's all leaves, but it's a very, very pale pinkish mauve colour with the very, very pale green leaves. Nice and muted. There are this little booklet of florals. So that's the leaves that the stamp stamps out. So shades of green and beige and cream. So nice. I like these for collages. You just tear one out. They look like they're all different. Yep. Tear one out, Bob's your uncle. A little box of, and I love these too. I go through so many of these just by using them and just like sticking out a little corner or something. So you get that kind of cool shape, and then some round ones, some circular ones, some tiny squares, some ovals, some bigger squares, some rectangles, some bigger ovals, and then these bigger rectangles. And these are, yes, these stickers, yes, they are indeed stickers. So nice little box of them. Oops, that one still wants to come out to play. So we'll put that aside. And then these caught my eye. These are like faux postage stamps and already perforated. So you can take them apart or leave them as is. There's 4, so it must be 4 of each. 1, 2, 3, 4, all pink florals. Nice roses. Yep, 4 of each. Lovely. Oh, and they say, have a good trip, post office. I wish you happy every day. Wish you happy, have a good trip. So they by and large say the same sort of thing, but if have a good trip doesn't suit your make, you can easily just cover that up with a little bit of washi or a little bit of something. So these are those long tickets. So like a ticket roll, but you can take them apart or use them as is. It looks like they are, oh no, I think you maybe get 2 of each. So 2. I'm not really a purple fan, but that's lovely, isn't it? That's more a kind of violet colour. And then a peachy colour and green. And sort of dotted with pinks all the way through. The blue's lovely. So yeah, plenty tickets, if you want to call them tickets, although they don't have ticket writing on them, but you could easily turn them into tickets, I think, like kind of property. Oh, they're different sizes. There's skinny ones and there's fat ones. Much as life, skinny ones and fat ones. So yeah, they're cool. These are little tiny stickers, like little washi stickers that are super tiny. So here's a cake, and there's the flamingo, pink flamingo. Really small stickers. Good if you do like kind of daily journaling and you just want tiny little stickers in the corner of your page. So there's this. This is clear stickers. They're kind of clear, yeah. And it's a bird. Oh no, it's a toucan. I can see the beak now. So it's a toucan on like a wreath with a palm tree, with an island in the background and some roses. Nice. I like these black and white stickers. And then this is a huge big bundle of ephemera. So what have we got? Oh, I've got an itchy eyebrow. How can your eyebrow be itchy? Right, a toucan, a toucan, a pink pineapple. That sounds, pink pineapple sounds like a cocktail, doesn't it? Oh, I'll have a pink pineapple, please. What would be in a pink pineapple? I think that's a good shape. I'm just looking at that there because that makes a nice kind of circular shape. Some strawberry mushed up, and I like tangy cocktails like grapefruit. Oh, what's that? Is that a salamander or a something like that? Don't know. Need to Google that. So what would be in a pink pineapple? Pink lemonade. Oh, look at the big flamingo. Oh, I think I'm going to have to use one of them in my little project when I've finished looking at them all. And so there's that leaf again. Another leaf. More flamingos. More toucans. I think it's a toucan that's the animal for the Guinness. There's a pub in Glasgow, and like outside the pub there's two big metal, it must be something to do with their air conditioning or their heating or something. So I think these might be, oh look, they look more like real stamps. Are these stickers? These sticker strips? Yes. Oh, so they're a wee bit transparent. So kind of washi stickers. Are they the same? The stampy ones? I'm guessing. Oh, there's two. Yes, a little bit transparent. Yeah, so there's these two, you know, they look like big square, big long oblong chimneys. And they've painted toucans onto them and incorporated the chimneys. Looks quite cool. Right, they're good. I like that packaging. That's lovely, isn't it? That's just a pre-made pocket, that's what that is. That's what we call that. And then there's the tissue paper, which has floral on it, looks like a tulip. And then the paper pack has 24 sheets, 6 sticker, 6 vellum, 6 art paper and 6 pattern paper. So it's got the flamingo and then the little animal that we don't know the name of. And that's the vellum, so it's the same pattern, the vellum. And then that's got a kind of texture. And it's the same pattern. And then there's the sticker sheets. Peel off the sticker sheets. So that's that. Another great box full of stuff that you want to use, that's for sure. My favourites, I think, have to be this and this and this. I love these little, I go through a million of them, and I love these little labels, and of course anything to do with pink postage stamps is a good thing. There's the stamps, and there's these tiny little bits. I'll just set them there, and the ephemera. So yeah, excellent. So I am off now to see if I can put something together to show you what you could maybe do with some of the contents, and I'll be back in a bit. Hi, I'm back. So I just had a gorgeous relaxing 20 minutes making 2 large tags from all the things in the box. I haven't used everything in the box, but I obviously used the cardstock ephemera, the postage stamps, which I kept as a 4, a piece from the little paper book, one of the oval stickers, and this was the you know, the strip of tickets type shapes, and I just used 2, folded them over and used them as a little tab. And this one is much the same. I've used 3 of the cardstock ephemera pieces because I thought you always needed 2 toucans, and they're just eyeing each other up there like, this is my bit, you better move it. I'm not sure if they're going to get on. Anyway, the postage stamps, the little oval sticker, and a piece of the little paper pad, and another 2 of the tickets just folded over. I'm really, really pleased with how they turned out. I thought about doing a little stitch around the edge, but you know, I do quite like them nice and pastel-y like this, a nice pastel pink coming off them. Yeah. So that's my make from the box. These will be finding their way onto a journal page, no doubt, or in a large pocket somewhere. So yeah, so thanks for joining me today, and if you've enjoyed the video, a thumbs up would be great, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.